by mail. I'm here to share a really fun new type of project kit that I am introducing this month, and this is a file folder album. And well, I'll talk about that in a second. So I am using the Authentique Paper Scholastic collection here. And if you haven't worked with Authentique before, beautiful papers, wonderful quality. The cardstock is textured, very thick. The cardstock stickers are textured and very thick. Actually, not textured, just very thick. All of their products are made in the US, so that's kind of fun. When it comes to this album, this is close to a 6x6 size album, and it's something that you're going to put together in the kit. Now, I have pre-cut all of the pieces to put together the album. I have scored them, and I have also labeled them, so super easy to put together. And the instructions, for example, will tell you adhere side A to side R, and you'll make this great fun little file folder album. So look at that little guy, little pencil there, and then there's a little silver apple charm. And as we open up, lots of interactive here. What's really fun about a file folder album, as you can see, you've got all these pieces that can tuck in the little pockets that we're making as part of the album. Little flip outs, a library card, which I think is super fun. I use these a lot for lots of different journaling and things like that, but great for a school album such as this. Now, there's also top pockets. So tags, room for photos, first day of school, information on the back. Now, let's talk a little bit as I'm going, actually, I'll set that off to the side. Let's talk about this a little bit as I'm going through, because as you see, this can work really for any age student. And I kind of jokingly say, oh great, now that my kids have graduated high school and one's almost done with college, I can finally document their kindergarten photos. And I know some of you know exactly what I mean when I say that, but this could be great for a teacher. This could be a great back to school teacher gift, a great thank you gift at the end of the year. Room for lots of little photos, lots of little fold outs, flip outs, some gold star stickers, because of course we all want a gold star when we are in school. Well, even when we're not in school too, right? So little pockets for little journaling, or on the back you could put photos on the back of those. So lots of little interaction here. A little star stick pin, another tag, and kind of that school looking twill ribbon with the ruler. And we'll keep going. This is a little book. So you have a little book in your back to school book, or in your school book. I think it would be fun. I have left room for little journaling and things like this. One of my favorite things, especially when our kids were little, was to have the kids write in the book. So wouldn't it be fun to hand this to your little school person, whoever it was, whether it's kindergarten or senior? There's no right or wrong time to do it, but you could have them add their own handwriting to this. I think that would be really fun. As we keep going, I love my teacher, more cards tucked in the pockets. Here's a little interactive fold out, star student, look what I did. And then another tag that tucks right into another pocket, last day of school. And as we keep going, a little bit more interactivity, fold outs and flip ups, and then another tag. Oh, so there are actually, I didn't mention this, but 3 tags that are built in. Well, actually, I shouldn't say built in. You'll be adding them in when you build your albums, but little tags, lots of great little school icons, and then a pocket back here to add. You could, again, add photos on the back of all these, a little school flashcard, and there you have it. So this project ships 3rd week of August, and in the description for the video, I've included all the information on ordering. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.